Welcome to my channel, my dear students. Today I am giving you one more lesson in geography. In this lesson, 20 MCQ question discussed. So let us see the MCQ question with answer. On Indian natural disaster, answer all of them. How many questions that you answer, your textbook and comment. Dear students, welcome to the lesson. This is the 11th lesson, Geography, Indian Natural Disaster. See the first one MCQ question. The most destructive atmospheric disaster is option A earthquake, cyclone, floods and landslide. The right answer is the earthquakes is the most destructive atmospheric disaster. And second one MCQ question. In India, the eastern coast is more prone to floods, cyclones, landslide, earthquakes. In India, the eastern coastal plain lie between like a Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. So this part is considered as a eastern coastal region. The most of the eastern coastal is the flood prone region. Cyclone, most of the east coastal region are the cyclonic effect during the northeast monsoon. When the northeast monsoon entered India, or Bay of Bengal branches causes the heavy cyclonic effect in the eastern coast of the India. During this time, the Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha causes the heavy cyclonic effects. MCQ question number 3. The peninsular India, these natural disaster occur occasionally. Floods, cyclone, landslide, earthquakes. The peninsular region is a triangle. This peninsular region of India, this natural disaster occur occasionally. Option A, floods. MCQ question number 4. In India, the natural disaster that occur very after in early station is floods, cyclone, landslide and tsunami. Which one is the right answer? C, the landslides. The fifth one MCQ question. Coastal erosion is mostly caused by sea waves, earthquakes, landslides, flood. Very easy question, direct question. Already you know the very well answer. See, sea waves. The sea waves or ocean currents, these are the coastal erosion is mostly caused by the sea waves. And sixth one MCQ question. The Indo-Gangetic zone is called as a it is situated in the northern Maidan region. See the northern plain region or the northern Maidan region. The zone of minimum intensity, the zone of moderate intensity, the zone of high intensity, none of the above. The right answer is the Indo-Gangetic zone is called as the zone of moderate intensity. And seventh one MCQ question. The sliding of land masses along the steep slopes of hills or mountains is called as floods, cyclone, landslide, tsunami. Which is the right answer? The right answer is landslides. MCQ question number 8. It causes violent vibration in the earth crust. Earthquakes, cyclone, floods, tsunami. It's also easy question. The right answer is earthquakes. Ninth one MCQ question. The natural hazards which create widespread destructions are known as a natural resource, natural disaster, natural development, none of the above. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is the natural disaster. 10th one MCQ question. The wind blows spirally inwards toward the center of low pressure is called as a cyclone, tsunami, floods, coastal erosion. Which is the right answer? Right answer is a cyclone. Cyclones are causes on the wind blows spirally inward to the center of the low pressure area. And 11th one MCQ question. It is the main reason for the earthquake that occurs in India. Destructions of forest, construction of dams due to the plate movements, excessive uses of fuels. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is the due to the plate movement, the tectonic activity like the plates movement reason. It is the main reason for the earthquake that occurs in India. 12th one MCQ question. The zone of moderative intensity is a zone of minimum intensity, the Indo-Gangetic zone due to plate movement, Godavari, Kaveri zone. The right answer is a already repeated question. The Indo-Gangetic zone is known as a moderative intensity zone. MCQ question number 13. It is a zone of minimum intensity. This zone is considered as a minimum intensity. The peninsular zone, the zone of minimum intensity, the zone of low intensity, the Indo-Gangetic zone. Which one is the right answer? The right answer is the peninsular zone. The peninsular zone is a minimum intensity zone. And 14th one MCQ question. The inundations of land by the river water is called as cyclone, flood, tsunami, earthquakes. The right answer is a flood. 15th one MCQ question. The large waves generated by earthquakes are called tsunami, cyclone, floods, coastal erosion. Right answer is a tsunami. The large waves generated by the earthquakes are called a tsunami. These questions are asked in the model paper second. And 16th one question. The most destructive atmospheric disaster is tsunami, cyclone, floods, earthquakes. Which is the right answer? Right answer is a cyclones are most destructive atmospheric disasters. And 17th one MCQ question. The Indian coast which is most prone to cyclone is west coast, north coast, east coast, Kanyakumari. Indian coast which most prone to the cyclone. Which one coast? Western, eastern coast. Right answer is a east coast like a Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh coast region is a most of the Indian coast which most of the prone to the cyclone. 18th one MCQ question. Only a few earthquakes have been occurred in recent year is called as the zone of minimum intensity, the zone of low intensity, the zone of high intensity, none of the above. Which is the right answer? The zone of minimum intensity. Have a few earthquakes have been occurred in a recent year. 19th one MCQ question. The areas that are worst hit by cyclone: Karnataka, Kerala, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan and Meghalaya, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Goa and Bihar. This question is very easy question. Option C is the right answer. C. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. These areas that are the worst hit by cyclonic effect during the northwest monsoon winds. And 20th MCQ question. Ireland in east of India affected by tsunami is Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar, Sri Lanka, Maldives. Which one is the right answer? Andaman Nicobar Island is in the east of India affected by the tsunami. Dear student, this is an effort to help you to know the correct answer. Hope you have answered all the question and scored very good marks. This is just a model. Dear student, many of these questions we have discussed in our regular classes, chapter wise. Still few more chapter are yet to come. I will give you a chapter every day. Keep watching, keep forwarding to your friends. Thank you. Thank you one and all.